Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make homemade butter. In order to make that, you need a cup and a half of heavy cream and a mixer like this. The first step is to take the heavy cream and pour it into a mixer. And then just turn the mixer on and stir for a few minutes. So after the beater has been mixing for like around 1 minute, and you see that it's starting to form stiff peaks. And after that, you take a spatula and scrape the edges to make sure that all the cream is being evenly mixed. And after you do that, just continue mixing for another 2 minutes. After the mixture has been mixing for a minute and you see all the cream getting stuck to the whisk attachment and some of it's not, it just still there, just scrape all that down into the middle so the whisk can mix it. And when it becomes like this, that means the butter is almost ready. It'll just take like another minute or two. After 3 minutes, you see that the buttermilk is starting to separate from the butter. That's a good sign. So when it becomes like this, we need to scrape it once more and keep on mixing it until you see a good amount of separation. After you've been mixing it for some more time and you see that there's a lot of buttermilk separating from the butter, this is the time that you should take an extra cup and just release the bowl. Just try to make sure that just the buttermilk goes in and no pieces of butter. And after you do that, and there still might be some moisture in the butter. So in order to take that out, we are going to add ice cold water into it and mix it up so it's like rinses the butter. And you're going to do that a couple of times to make sure that it's fully separated, then the butter is done. So here I have some ice cold water. So here I'm just going to pour some into the butter and just turn it on. But before I would turn this on, I would just get a rag like this, put it on it, and then turn it on. And I won't put it too fast because the water might spill and make a big mess. After you wash the butter for like some time in the bowl with some water, then you would want to strain it to make sure that none of the pieces of butter go into the sink. So like me, I would just take the butter off of the wire whisk, put it into the bowl. I'll take off as much as I can. And after you do that, to make it easier to separate, bring all the butter together to like form like a big clump. Just like, bring all the water towards the butter so that if there's butter in it, just gets stuck to the big butter piece. And after you do that, just drain the excess. After you have washed your butter like twice, just take all the butter off of the wire whisk. Take all the butter off the wire whisk. And then just take it off and set it aside. And then with all that butter you have, you might still see some water. There still might be some water in the butter, so in order to take that off, just take all the butter and just squeeze it on the side. That helps drain out all the moisturizer, like all the water inside it. And after you do that a couple times, times, you have fresh homemade butter. So this you can store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks. But if you want it to stay longer, you can put it in the freezer in an airtight container.